1 cup onions, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 green chilies, half a cup coriander leaves, half a cup mint leaves, 2 teaspoons poppy seeds, 1 small roasted dry coconut, 1 cup tomatoes. Make a fine paste of poppy seeds and dry coconut and keep aside. Keep a vessel on the stove. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons vegetable oil. Add chopped onions. Salt well. Add a pinch of salt. Salt well. Close the lid and keep for 2 minutes. Add green chilies. After 2 minutes, add ginger garlic paste. Salt well. Then add marinated chicken and mix well. Close the lid and keep for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add chopped tomatoes and again close the lid and keep for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add coconut and poppy seeds paste. Close the lid until the chicken is cooked. If you want, you can add some water. Now you can add chopped mint leaves, coriander leaves. Check and adjust salt as per requirement. Now the chicken curry is ready to serve. It goes well with chapati or rice. Hope you will try this recipe and comment below, and also leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.